Good evening, and today we are here for a very interesting quiz, which is Netflix quiz. And I am really excited as I will be your quiz master for today. There are few things that I want you all to know before we start with the quiz. Number one is we are not responsible for your internet connection. So if we are asking a question and you have an internet connection problem, we are sorry, but we cannot help you with that. Number two, you have to keep your videos on while answering the question. You can keep it off when I'm asking questions to other participants, but during your turn, your video should be on. And if anyone is found cheating, that person will be disqualified. One more request to all the audience. Please do not help any of the participants in any way. And also one more thing, that there are few questions for the audience as well. So you will be asked to write those questions in the message box. So you do not have to speak, you just have to write those questions in the message box and I will ask you when you have to do that. So if you know any answer, please do not write it in the message box unless it's directed to you. So let's start. For the introduction of the participants, we have something planned. So give me 2 minutes, we'll start with that.
Please put me to bed and turn down the
We will be starting with the first round and the questions will be asked according to first come first serve basis, and that is that how you have actually filled the form. So the first round of questions will be, we will be asking 4 questions. We will be asking 4 questions to each participant and they will be given 10 seconds for each question to answer them. One more thing to keep in mind during this is that after the first round, 6 of you will be eliminated. So think before answering and take your time, but not more than 10 seconds. So let's start. The first one to go is Sagnik. So Sagnik, please be ready.
Am I audible?
Round 1. First question for you, Sagnik, is, after their dad's murder, 3 siblings move with their mom to their ancestral estate where they discover magical keys that unlock power and secrets. You have 10 seconds.
Lock and key.
Correct. Next question for you, Sagnik, is,
Oh God.
in the series Breaking Bad, Don Eladio was the leader of which cartel?
Mexican cartel.
What? Can you please repeat your answer?
Mexican cartel.
What is the name? You have 1 second left.
Los Polios Hermanos. No.
What?
Los Polios Hermanos.
It's wrong. The answer is Joris Cartel. Joris Cartel. So the next question is, remember for each correct answer, you're getting plus 10, and there is no negative marking for this one, but we have for the other rounds. So answer smartly. Next question. What kind of power does Mind Slayer in Stranger Things have?
Mind control.
Correct. Next question. This is your last question. Lawrence Speed and Kanan Hamilton are contestants of which Netflix dating series?
Oh no. I
You have
don't
5
know.
seconds.
I don't know.
The answer is Love is Blind.
Okay.
So you get 10 for this one. 20 for this one.
Okay.
Your total is 20. Next is Shania Debushmita Mondal. Shania Debushmita Mondal. So you're ready?
Yes.
Your first question is, in first scene of the first episode of House of Cards, what kind of animal gets killed? Your time starts now.
I do not know the answer.
Okay, we'll move on to the next question. What organization does Claire Underwood run in first season of House of Cards? Your time starts now.
I forgot.
Okay, no problem. We'll move to the other question. In the third season of Vampire Diaries, who is Caroline's date for the formal ball?
Wait. I'm completely blank right now. I'm blank. I'm completely blank.
So, next question. This is your last question, Shania.
Okay.
Name the surname of Fallon in the series Dynasty. The answer is Carrington. The whole series is based on Carrington's life and journey. So,
Yeah, I have.
it's okay. So, your score is nil.
Yeah.
What happens? So, our next participant is Shreya Poddar. Your first question is, which character in Netflix series The Crown has been played by both Claire Foy and Olivia Colman?
No idea.
The answer is Queen, the Queen. So, next question. Bored being Lord of Hell, the devil relocated to Los Angeles, where he opens a nightclub and forms a connection with a homicide detective. Which series is this? Your time starts now.
Lucifer?
Correct. So you get plus 10 for that. Next question. What is the name of the fictional town where Stranger Things is set?
Okay, I should know this, but
Your time ends. The answer is Hawkins.
sorry.
It's okay. You're losing your points. Next question. What is Jughead Jones' real name in Riverdale? Full name. So the answer is Forsyth Pendleton Jones 3. Think this. Okay, this is the end. So you got plus 10. So our next participant is Salman Ahmed. Salman, you're here.
Yeah.
Your first question is, where do Hannah and Clay work in 13 Reasons Why?
Crestmont Cinema.
Correct. You get plus 10 for that. Which series feature Kristen Bell as Eleanor Shellstrop and Ted Danson as Michael?
The Good Place.
Correct. Next question. What's the title of this Netflix movie about a 6'1" high schooler's love triangle?
Tall Girl.
Correct. Next question. What is Joe Goldberg's love obsession in season 1 of You?
What is or who is?
Who is? Sorry.
Guinevere Beck.
Correct. You get plus 40. We'll go to the next contestant.
Well
So-
played, Salman.
Yeah, bro, I have no life.
That's not true. Next is Harshita Chaudhary.
Yes, Asta, very nice questions. I don't know answer to any.
Where are you? Please turn on your
Yeah,
camera.
okay, once. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so let's start. First question. What is the name of the AI robot who keeps an eye on all the contestants in Too Hot to Handle?
I haven't seen this one. I don't know.
Her name was Lana. You can see it's a very cringeworthy show. You will like it.
Oh. Okay, Asta, thank you.
Next question. What is the name of the interactive Black Mirror movie released in 2018?
It was the Bandwidth. Bandwidth?
No, you are a little bit wrong. I can give you +5. Do you want to try it again?
It's something with band. I don't remember. I played shit. I don't know.
Your time is up. It's Bandersnatch. I'll give you +5 for this one.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's. Your third question is: which sauce is Rick famously obsessed with in Rick and Morty?
This is just a.
It's a sauce name. So your
No
time-
idea.
The sauce's name is Szechuan sauce. Rick was
Oh.
very obsessed with this sauce. So next question. I think this is your last question. What is the name of the parallel universe experienced in series 1 of Stranger Things?
The parallel. I've seen this one long time ago. I don't remember the name. It's shit.
Your time ends. It's the Upside Down.
The Upside Down. Oh,
Okay. So the next participant is Pratishtha Mugdal. Pratishtha, you're here?
Hi.
Yeah. So let's start. Your first question is: what is the real name of the character Bunty in the series Sacred Games? You have 5 seconds. You don't know?
No.
The name is Jatin Sharma. So next question for you is: where does Peter and Lara confess their feelings for each other in All the Boys I've Loved Before? Your time starts.
Arey. At school, at school basketball court के वहाँ पे.
Correct. You get +10 for this one. Next question. A privileged New Yorker ends up in prison and she makes orange a trendy color. Guess the series.
Black. Black is the new orange. Orange is the new black.
Orange the new black is the right answer. Please be sure of your answer the next time. I won't be helping you. So this is your last question, I believe. Mart Guard is a character from which series?
No. Ozark. No, I pass.
It's Guard. So the next participant is Sujata Chaudhary. Sujata, are you here?
Yes, yes.
So let's start. Your first question is: true or false, Netflix was originally called Kibble?
True, maybe. True.
Correct. Netflix was originally called Kibble, but then when they came online, they changed their name to Netflix. Your next question is: who is the lucky charm of Gaikonde in the
Cuckoo.
series
Cuckoo ka Jadoo.
Correct. You get +10 for this. So the next question is, Blackwood is a villain in which series?
Recent. Cursed.
What?
Cursed.
Wrong answer. The answer is Riverdale. So yeah. What's the surname of the family on Netflix series Ozark? Like the main family. What is their surname? It's Byers.
No.
It's Byers. Okay. So that's it. I think you got 20 for this one. So our next participant is Asaf Ali. Asaf, are you here? Asaf? Should I move on to the next participant?
Yes,
Okay.
he's not there.
Okay, so next participant is Somyajit Datta. Somyajit, are you here? Somyajit? Okay, so the next participant is Jaipreet Gupta. Jaipreet, are you here?
No, he is not. Please move on.
Next is Dipanita Mitra. Dipanita, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Hi, should we start?
Yeah, sure. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. So your first question is, who is revealed as Gossip Girl in the show's final season?
I never watched this series.
Okay, so we'll move on. Your next question is, Jennifer Aniston and Adam Sandler starred in a murder mystery comedy film in 2019. Name the film. The name of the film is The Murder Mystery.
Wow.
So
I didn't watch.
we'll move on to the next question. Name the films who have the characters Ellie Evans, Noah Flynn, and Lee Flynn.
No, I don't know.
The answer is The Kissing Booth. Okay.
Why am I not getting any question related to what I have watched?
It totally depends on your luck. I'm sorry. What else can I say? So your last question is, who is the name of the fellow paleontologist Ross dates in the last season of Friends?
No, I don't watch Friends.
Okay. Her name was Charlie. So thank you.
That
We
was
move
a
on
bit
to
harsh for the Friends fan, but I don't watch.
It's okay. So our next participant is Sarthak Saha. Sarthak, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. So let's start. Your first question is, who is Noah's sister in the series Dark? Stop. We'll move on to the next question. Answer is Andrew Huber. Okay. From which Netflix series is the famous character Denver from? Sarthak, come on.
Yes. Which Netflix is Money Heist?
Correct. So you get +10. Next question. Just a second. If you can just give me a second.
As traumatized.
If you can read the
reports in her rape.
actually there's a problem in my laptop. I cannot read the question.
The answer is 13 Reasons Why.
The answer is wrong. The answer is Unbelievable. It was a limited.
Sorry,
feature
what is
of
the answer?
unbelievable.
Oh, okay.
So next question for you is,
What's
what
the
is
name of the organization by Tigers King called Buzzking, which is the feature of Netflix documentary? Um,
Can you give me a second, Karthik? I'm really sorry. Your 10 seconds have started. Just give me a second.
I don't.
Do you know the answer for this question?
No.
Okay, just give me a second. I've lost this question. I'm really sorry. I'll tell you the answer afterwards. Let's move on.
Answer is Big Cat
D, I
Rescue.
can't.
Hello?
Yeah, you visible. What is my next question?
Your 4 questions are done.
Okay.
Yeah. So the next participant is Ritika Jaiswal. Ritika, are you here?
She's not here.
Okay. So the next participant is Diya Bhattacharya. Diya, are you here? Let's start. Which character killed Radhika Apte's character, Anjali Mathur, in Sacred Games? You're not audible.
Malcolm.
Correct. Next question. Which 2019 series stars Natasha Lyonne as a woman who dies on her birthday only to come back to life and keep reliving the day over and over again?
Russian doll.
Correct. Next question for you is, filmed 13 years, this real-life thriller follows the unprecedented story of 2 men accused of a grisly crime they may not have committed. Guess the series. The time starts now. It is Making a Murderer. Your next question. Casa de Papel, I don't think I am pronouncing it correctly, so I'm sorry for that, is the original Spanish title of which hit Netflix series?
Money Heist.
Correct. So that's it. I think you got 30, which is quite nice. So our next participant is Madhushri Mondal. Madhushri, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
So let's start. Your first question is, how many letters did Lara do?
21.
What?
21?
No, you're wrong.
No? 7?
No. No, you're wrong. You can just answer once. It's 5. Next question. What is the job of Joe Goldberg in season 1
He
of
works in a librarian, like in a bookstore?
Yeah. So yeah, he works in a bookstore. You're right, you get +10. Next question is, hosted by Alexa Chung and Tan France, which reality show looks to find the next big designer?
Next big designer, no. Next big designer.
Next question for you is, the last question. Which reality show stars Seema Aunty, an Indian marriage consultant?
Oh, it's the new one. Marriage counseling or arranged marriages, Indian marriages.
Wrong. The answer is Indian matchmaking.
Indian matchmaking, shit. Yeah. Okay.
So
how much did I score?
I think you scored 20.
Okay. Thanks.
So our next participant is Divya Kumar Singh. Divya, are you here?
No, he's not here. No, he's not there. Please move on.
So next, after him, we have Vedant Chaudhary. Vedant, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Let's start. Your first question is, complete the famous dialogue of Sacred Games. Dash दिन है तुम्हारे पास. Your time starts now.
10 दिन है तुम्हारे पास. I think so.
दिन है तुम्हारे पास. You're wrong. We'll move on to the next question.
Can you tell me the answer?
25. 25 दिन. Next question. Noah Centineo appeared as love interest Peter Kavinsky in which Netflix rom-com?
Pass the question.
Okay, the answer is To All the Boys I've Loved Before. Next question is, When They See Us is a Netflix true crime mini-series based on 1989 incident at which iconic location?
Don't know.
The answer is Central Park in New York. Central Park in New York.
Okay.
Your next question. Name Netflix film that's starring Scarlett Johansson and Adam Driver that won the Academy Award of Best Actress in the Supporting Role to Laura Dern.
Love Story.
Wrong. Do you want to try it again? You're half correct. You have 2 seconds.
Don't know.
And it's The Marriage Story.
Oh.
So that's it. So
Yes.
our last participant for today is Ayush Sharma. Ayush, are you here?
He's not there. Please move on.
Okay, so he was the last participant. Give us 2 minutes to look at all the answers, and then we are gonna tell you. The results. Hi, the results are here. We are just eliminating people who have not even received a single point. So I'm sorry, Shanaya, Dipamita, and Vedant. You won't be continuing. I'm sorry. Better luck for the next time.
Okay, thank you. No problem.
Okay, so we'll start with the second round. Let us talk about some rules here. So for the second round, it is a multiple choice question. You will get, just a second. You will get plus 20 for every right answer and minus 20 for every wrong one. Each of you will be asked one question each, and we will be having 2 eliminations after this round, and then we'll move on to our third round. Okay, everyone's clear? Can I receive a yes at least?
Yes,
Is
yes,
there-
clear.
Yes.
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 Okay, so give me a minute. I'll start with the presentation. So we'll again start with Sagnik. Sagnik, are you here? You're not audible. You're not audible to me.
Sagnik, unmute.
Why me? We can start with the top scorer.
Who are the ones who... no, we'll start with you. Okay, let's start with you only.
Okay.
So, next question for your question is, identify the poster. A, safe, B, self-made, C, They See Us Now, or Unsolved Mysteries.
They See Us Now.
Yes, that's the correct answer. So you get plus 20 for this this
Done. Oh, baapre baap.
Nice guess, bro.
Next question to Shreya.
Yes.
Who was selected as secretary in House of Cards instead of Frank Underwood? Senator Michael Spence, Douglas Doug Stamper, Christina Gallagher, or Lucas Goodwin? Do you know the answer?
C. No, actually.
You answer the question, you get minus 15 for this. So we'll go on to the next person, that is Salman. This is your question, Salman. In season 1 of the series Dark, after crawling through the cave, which year does Ulrich end up in? You're not audible, Salman.
A. 1953.
1953.
A. The option A.
Correct. And the answer is correct. You're correct. So you get plus 20 for this.
Yeah.
Next one is Harshita Chaudhary. Harshita,
Yes, Asta.
your question is, in Breaking Bad, Don Eladio was the leader of which castle? Okay, this question is repeated, so we are gonna
Yeah. Question.
ask the next one.
Sorry, what?
You're gonna answer this question.
Okay.
In House of Cards, what did Frank bury in the Civil War memorial site?
Mm,
Do you wanna guess?
I would like to guess a diary.
Okay, and the answer is a ring.
Oh.
So you get minus 15.
I'm in minus. Okay.
Next question is for Pratishtha.
Yeah.
Okay. Whose life does Anne save in season 1 of Annie with an E? Anne with an E. You wanna try? You have 5 more seconds.
I'll pass.
And the answer is Mini Maze. Next one is Sarthak. Sarthak, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes. After a young man is rescued of lying about a rape, two female detectives investigate a start of eerily similar attacks inspired by two events. Name the series.
The Night Shift.
The correct answer is Lenox Hill. So you get minus 15. Our next participant is Diya Bhattacharya. Is your question. How many brothers does Amy have in Brooklyn Nine-Nine? Your 10 seconds have started. And stop. The answer is 7. Next question is for Madhushri. Madhushri, are you here?
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
So your question is, in Narcos, where was Pablo murdered?
Pablo.
In his backyard, at a party, at a rooftop in Colombia, or
Part C.
Okay.
In a rooftop in Colombia. At a rooftop. Sorry.
Let's see if you're correct or not. And you are. So you get plus 20.
Thank you.
Yeah. I think this is the last one. Divya, you are not here, right? And neither is Ayush.
Yes, they're not there.
Okay. So give us 2 minutes and we'll tell you the results. Sujata, is there a query?
हम बच गए.
I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. I'll just ask you a question. Give me a minute. I'm really sorry, Sujata. So the question after this is for you. Name the 10-part documentary series that provided an in-depth look at the Chicago Bulls dynasty to the length of a final championship season in 1997-1998, based on the untold story of Michael Jordan.
A. The Last Dance.
Are you sure? Should we look at the correct answer? And the correct answer is The Last Dance. So you're correct. So give me 2 minutes. I'll just come up with the answers and I'll tell you.
दिया का लक साथ नहीं दिया, दिया का गलती नहीं है, लक साथ नहीं दिया, तू दी थी आंसर।
Manikant, Shanti.
Hi, we have the results, and the 2 people who are eliminated from this round are Shreya and Harshita.
Thank you, Asta.
Next time, you guys played really well.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. So let's start with our last round. It's a very easy round. So it just depends on how you have literally done the whole time. And one more thing that I want to add is that there will be no there won't be any negative marking for this round, and there'll be plus 30 for the right answer. You all will be asked one question each, and it is a visual round, not an audio visual round, but a visual round where you just have to see the video and say which is the right series or the movie. So let's start. And the question is for Savnik. This is the film, and what's your answer?
Marriage Story, The Marriage Story.
Correct. Next one is for Salman.
Yes.
And this is so guess which. Your time starts now. And it ends. Salman, do you know the answer?
No, I don't.
This is Anne with an E.
Okay.
Next is Pratishtha. Pratishtha? Let's start. And yours is a... Come on, Pratishtha. I don't think I should even wait for you to answer this. Next one is for guess the film. Sujata, are you here?
Ready.
Ready? And the film is?
Oh, Bulbul.
Correct.
Bulbul, Bulbul.
So next is Sarthak. Sarthak, are you here? Should I say? Should I start? Sarthak?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, start.
So yours is the series, and the series is you know the answer?
Yeah.
So
Dark.
Wrong. The answer is End of the World. End of the So
Okay.
next is Dia. Dia, are you here?
Yeah.
So your guess the series again, and the series is
Stranger Things.
wrong. You're wrong, Dia. The
No.
answer Dark. So our last participant for today is Madhushri. Madhushri, are you here?
I am, yeah.
So yours is our last question for today. So
Oh, Elite.
correct. You're correct.
Thanks.
So here we are here at the end of the quiz. Again, give me 2 minutes. You know the drill till now. We'll just collate all the questions and we'll come back to you with the winner and the runners up. Till then, Is there anyone who wants to say something?
ऑडियंस वाला क्वेश्चन दिखाओ.
हाँ वही.
You have
Audience question, please.
we do have some questions for the audience. So
Can
we will
answer
just-
to, right?
No, the participants cannot answer to those questions.
What
They are
about the
questions for
ex-participants?
audience. No, these are just for our audience. So if you know the correct answer, you know the drill. Or should I say that again?
Please repeat that. I don't know the drill. Just came in.
So you just have to write it on your chat box, and the first person to write it will get my love, because right now during this pandemic, that's all I can give you.
We want Amazon vouchers. Thank you.
Amazon voucher it is. Thank you, Asta. Coming out of your pocket.
You have participated in lockdown stories for that. It was your loss. I am sorry.
I'm sorry, I still need that.
No, you're not getting that. So, okay, who is Mobashir? Are you here?
Yes, I am.
Mobashir, please look at the chat and tell me who answers the question. Who answers the question first? We'll try to give them something. Let's not promise
Thank you,
anything.
Mubashir, for being biased.
What? Okay, so let's start.
Start with Sanskar.
No, this is a full audience question. Who wants to answer it can. But since Mahima and Sanskar were like so eager to get their Amazon voucher, if they answer this correctly, I will give them a Netflix Amazon voucher from my side. Okay. So, Sanskar. So all of you are ready? Guess the series, okay? So who knows the answer for this? Obviously, did you get an answer?
Yuvraj Bucks. Yuvraj.
So what is the answer, Will?
Peaky Blinders. Yuvraj.
Wrong, it's wrong.
अरे पीकी ब्लिंडर्स नहीं है ये.
अरे आंसर. Show the answer now.
Answer दो.
नहीं आया किसी.
No one is answering. क्या हो रहा है? This is so easy. Did we get a right answer?
No, we didn't.
People are still messaging, so the answer is Alienist. It's the Alienist, Mahima. Not an Alienist.
Better luck next time, Mahima.
So now we have the results. We'll just ask one more question to the audience, and then we'll move on to the results because they are really interesting. So the next one for the audience is series again, and the
Come on.
Yuvraj, you're correct. Yuvraj was the first one to answer. So the answer is Never Have I Ever. So we have the results now. Just a second. The results are like very interesting. We have a tie for both winner and runners-up. So we are going to have tiebreakers for both, where we will ask each question. We'll ask a question. The participants can choose either from visuals or from normal questions. Oh no, they can just ask for normal questions. There are no visuals. We have used all of them for the audience. So, and if they answer correctly, they'll get plus 50. 15, and if they do not answer correctly or if they fail to answer, they will get minus 10. Is that okay?
Yeah, okay, cool.
So the winner tie is between Sagnik and Sujata. Both have got 70. So let's start with Sujata, because Sagnik, I think, is tired of answering all the questions firsthand. So the question for you is, okay, Sujata, this is your question. What is the name of the theme song of Peaky Blinders? No idea?
I can guess.
Okay.
Guess.
Sujata, do you want to guess? Okay, so you get minus
C.
C. The answer is A. A, the red light hand.
Nice.
So next is Sagnik.
हेलो ऑप्शंस में रेड राइट हैंड सी में था
What?
ऑप्शंस में रेड
आंसर सी होगा.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. This was a problem with the thing. You are correct. Sujata, you are correct. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry for this.
कोई बात नहीं.
So you get plus 15. Next is Sagnik. And your question is, who went to prison and had a Latin king and iron tattoo?
Oh no.
Do you know the answer? Your time starts now. You have 10 seconds. Stop.
Can I answer?
No, you cannot, Yuvraj.
Peaky Blinders बोल, Peaky Blinders.
The answer is
Diana. No, that.
minus 15.
I just forgot.
Six chances to win if both Salman and Harshita ends up with both Salman and Madhushree end up with wrong questions. Only then can you win. You still have a probability, so let's hope for the best.
Okay. अब भूलेंगे.
Salman, the next question is for you. Give me a second.
Yeah.
So, this is your question. Who is the bent neck lady in The Haunting of the Hill House?
Option D.
Sure.
Sure.
Is D. You're correct. That's plus 15 for you. So, next one is for Madhushree. If
Yeah.
Madhushree,
I'm here.
she will, then Salman and Madhushree have to have another, tiebreaker question. So, this is your question.
Okay.
In the series,
Malik family has come from
Iran, Iraq, Pakistan, Syria.
Syria?
Sure.
Yeah.
The answer is Iran. So,
okay.
So we know who is the winner and who is the runners-up. Still, congratulations, Sujata and Salman, and to everyone else. Everyone played really well. This was an amazing session, and a special thank you to all our audience for being so patient and listening to all the questions and being so excited about it. Also, we have certificates for all the participants, and we have special certificates for our winner and runners-up. Also, we do not have Amazon vouchers this time. If I was not clear enough because I didn't say it, I haven't mentioned it even once. So yeah, we do not have those, but we do have our special wishes for you all. And we have something else planned for August as well. So see you guys then. And yeah, thank you. Thank you for all the teachers. Thank you. Is there anyone that is there anything that I can share?
Yeah, really good job conducting this quiz. Just a piece of advice: don't use the first 3-4 links in Google when you can see the questions.
सेम बिजनेस क्विज में हुआ था भाई.
Is there anything else that anyone wants to say?
Well played,
Thank
winners
you.
and runner-up, and well organized by the organizers event team, Astha, Mubashir, and Manikant. Well organized. Well done.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
And congrats, Salman and Sujata.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for your advice.
Yeah, no problem.
And
I was there
congratulations.
to help my juniors. Yeah, thank you.